Boko Haram is not invisible. Boko Haram is not a spirit. Sheikh Sani, for Christ's sake, took Obasanjo to them. At the embryonic stage of this suicidal sect, Obasanjo met with some of their stakeholders, but we have not seen their names. We should ask Sheikh Sani fundamental questions. Where is their abode? Where did you take Obasanjo to? Sheikh Sani is of the opinion that we should negotiate, that we should not crush them. Okay, when you negotiate, what happens thereafter? When you swap those guys, what happens thereafter? We are going to grant them amnesty. They are another suicidal sect. We hear its ugly heads again. We are postponing the evil days, for goodness sake.
What does the Boko Haram attacker do? He's given bomb to go to a particular market, kill people, including himself. Huh? Because, one, his family will be given 50,000 naira. And two, when he gets to heaven, 7 virgins will come and meet him. Then identify that man called Boko Haram bomber. Who is that man who will kill himself because of 50,000 naira and 7 virgins? That man must have been the wretched of the earth, made by Nigerian government. The government that gives oil block that is worth 800 million to individual, where the youth cannot afford 3 square meals a day. You go to the street of Maiduguri, you see them there. The Nigerian government made the Boko Haram members. So, once you now dialogue with them as a short-term solution of saving our girls, you immediately begin to redress the polity and evacuate human beings who will agree to burn themselves because of 50,000. He's been thrown to the streets since birth. And so he's ready to take even 5,000 naira to bomb himself. Nigerian government must evacuate such people. By evacuation, I mean they must ensure that those people are also citizens and they are treated like citizens. When they are citizens, they don't kill themselves because of 50,000 naira. Number two, remember, Boko Haram started by burning churches in a bid to push home the point that Western education, Western civilization, including going to church, okay, is evil. Why is Boko Haram doing that? My brother, let's be realistic to one another. If you want to solve this problem once and for all, what is Christianity in Nigeria today? What are the pastors doing? The pastors are the ones flying in jets all around the world. They build the best universities and the most expensive universities, whereas masses of the people in their churches cannot enjoy this facility. If that is not evil, what is evil? Define it for me. So the Nigerian government should immediately address the problem of theft, robbery, and mockery of the name of God perpetrated by these vagabonds who call themselves pastors. It is truism. People will run away from it. Oh, I don't want to talk against the man of God. But they are the criminals in this country. Send the pastors and their jet to Maiduguri, the way they do crusade on the road, and tell us they open the eye of the blind, they raise the dead. Let them go and do crusade in Maiduguri and rebuke the power of Boko Haram. Let us see if it's going to work. If it doesn't work, then no, they are not pastors. We remove all the jet from them and tell them to go and sit down in their offices. Those one who have PhD will come back to the university and lecture. Do you understand? So if we are not ready to take the bull by the horn, we keep on doing what Fela Anikulapo call Akuna Kuna, senior brother of perambulator. We won't move. We'll just be perambulating. That's my view.